is going on, YouTube? How are you guys doing? Hopefully everything is well. I'm actually recording this on my iPhone because all my cameras are kind of filled up right now with media and stuff. Took a snowboarding trip this weekend to Big Bear, so expect a video, some gnarly bails, some good tricks, skills improving, everything's good, but I want to start videotaping a little bit more. And today we have to make a decision. What truck are we gonna drive? I think we'll drive both. Actually, I'm gonna take the orange one. I'm gonna go get a haircut. I'm gonna go get a coffee, and I am going to wash it. I'm gonna take the red one and do the same thing. Well, just wash it at least. It got completely filthy from going up the mountain and seeing snow and all that stuff. So, gotta wash it, gotta take care of it. But we haven't driven this thing in a while, so just kinda wanna move it too, so. It's got a lot of work to do. Just kind of chill day. Just wanted to go over everything. I really do enjoy driving this truck. It's lifted. It drives like kind of shit, but it's really my favorite truck to drive because I built it. But anyways, we're still having those starting issues. I have a boost leak and some other stuff going on. I have a new intercooler tube that we are going to install shortly. I'm gonna kind of collect all the parts I need for this thing. And we'll just kind of do, like, maybe this weekend we'll do a working video. So I'm going to order some stuff tonight. But with that being said, let's see if it starts. So you just need to put it in neutral because I don't have a clutch safety switch. But see, it's so weird. It starts sometimes perfectly. We haven't driven it in a while. But it starts perfectly sometimes, and other times just doesn't want to. I don't know what's going on with it. It's something weird with the starter, I think, and I couldn't tell you, but everything is working. It started right up. This truck has no glow plugs either. Thank God we're in California. It's 60 degrees right now in December. So up at Big Bear probably wouldn't do so hot, but we might take it up one day if we ever get the four-wheel drive figured out. Anyways, I'm gonna drive to base. I'm gonna go get a coffee, wash it, show you that, and then grab a haircut and do the same for the red truck, go wash it. So don't want that thing to rust. It's so clean. I'm gonna do like a deep cleaning on this one. This one's just getting a quick bath, but that truck is getting a super wash. So we're gonna roll out, let this thing warm up a little bit. I'm probably, honestly guys, I'm probably gonna hit up Danville for some ZF6 tunes. They tune the fastest ZF6 truck in the world right now. So I'm probably, I could download a ZF6 file, like a stock one, and kind of go from there. But, you know, there's professionals out there, and I'm not too super confident right now, and with everything going on and the amount of time and stuff I have, you know, it's just, it's pretty hard for me to sit down and tune. I'm going to try, though. I'm going to try and tune the red truck, so, because I think we're going to start snowboarding a lot more, and we might actually start taking my camper up there and spending the weekend more often. It's a little bit cheaper. So red truck's gonna become the haul truck, gonna get new tires, probably do a whole front end on it. If you guys have any requests, I'm probably gonna do like kryptonite uppers and new wheel bearings and all that stuff, so I'll do a rebuild on that so you guys can see that. We'll get some new tires on it and we'll talk about it. Anyways, I'm gonna take off. I know I'm rambling on, but it's been a while since I talked to you guys, so let's just get my day started. You guys ever seen this before? I don't know if this one is gonna do it today. This one always pukes. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's not gonna do it today. Usually that thing like throws up at you and it like shoots diesel fuel everywhere. But let's see what you guys got for diesel prices. It's actually pretty low for California, good old $3.49. So if your guys' diesel prices are outrageous or outrageously low, drop in the comments. I want to see what you guys pay for diesel because I know it's expensive to keep these things going. So, and that's all I have. I need to buy like a Honda Civic or something to get around, but you know, nah. the red truck that I'm currently driving to work right now. But I think I'm gonna sell it. I think I'm gonna sell this truck and buy a new one. If you guys drop, I don't know, drop a thumbs up if you want me to get a new truck. Time to move on, time to do something different. But that's kind of the idea where I'm at. I know my buddy's looking into buying it, so I might sell it. I love this truck, but there's always other trucks, so we might be selling the red LOY. Not sure yet, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, I went and got a haircut, and I didn't really have time to finish up and wash this truck today, so I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, or maybe tonight, I don't know. But basically that does it for my day, guys. I was just, you know, trying to pick up this more frequent vlogging stuff, because I know I've been slacking lately. So snowboarding video coming soon, more Duramax stuff coming soon like I showed you earlier, and maybe getting a new truck, so we'll see. And I love LOYs, but I do want something newer, I really do. So I don't know, we'll see. They're not cheap at all, so just stay tuned, guys. We'll get something here soon, but I'm gonna head to work. I'll catch you guys later, and have a good week.